Hello, welcome to a new tutorial of Photoshop. Now let's start the application. Photoshop CC is on. The resources are going to be found in Americano Virtual, Classwork 3.4, Double Exposure Effect. Here we're going to use Quick Selection Tools. We're going to apply Mask. Very simple. The resources are the model image and the mountain. Let's click on the model. As you can see, a new window is open. Just click on the download button to start the process. Good job. Once the download is over, drag it through the taskbar. Find the application and drop it in the center. Very good. Give a name. Girl. Awesome. Now, let's do the same with the image. Again, in Americano Virtual, in the Resources section, we have the mountain link. Let's click it. Here, I start downloading. And when the downloading is complete, I just drag over the taskbar on the top of the center. Before I press enter to accept this image, I'm going to resize it or adjust it if you wish to cover completely the face and silhouette of the girl. You have to do a calculation. Very simple. Good job. Now press enter. Excellent. The name is going to be Mountain. Great. Since I'm not going to use this layer yet, I hide it and move it down. I'm going to focus on girl. The layer is active. Now I'm going to move over the toolbox area, and select the following tool. The Quick Selection Tool, a very smart tool that helps our selections to be easy. Pay attention. Press the left button of the mouse and automatically the tool works for you. If you have something to adjust, just try not to overdo it and go very subtle. Very subtle selection. Careful. Like this area or this piece of the tip of the nose. Very good. Once the selection is complete, once you are satisfied with this, right click and you will have the feather option. The feather option will help me to smoothen the border of the selection. 0.5 or 0.5 is enough. Okay. Nothing happened yet. I'm gonna press Ctrl and J together to copy the selected area in a new layer. Ready? Ctrl J. Great. Now you can see a new layer. Let's hide the original one just in case. Now here we are with layer 1, and if we zoom in, we can see how the border is soft and smooth, thank you to the feather option we previously applied. Let's change the name of this layer. We're gonna call it Model. And now let's work with the mountain. The mountain layer is going to be visible again, and it's going to be on the top of the model layer. With Ctrl 0, we go back to the normal size. Beautiful. We select the model layer, which is now active. Pay attention. And now look at this. I'm pointing at the thumbnail. And I'm going to press the Ctrl key on the keyboard. Okay, now Ctrl key and click on the thumbnail. What will happen? You can see carefully how the content has been selected automatically. But I'm not going to work in this layer. I'm going to work with the mountain layer. I made the mountain layer visible and active, and still can get the silhouette of the girl selected over the mountain. I'm going to add the application layer, application mask, like here. Pay attention. I'm going to apply it. And I get the selection applying only on the mask. You feel free to stop and rewind this video as many times you need. Let's continue. I'm going to multiply, the model layer. Not before, pay attention. I'm going to give a desaturation, image, adjustment, and then desaturate. Duplicate the layer. Very good job. And move the duplication all over the top. Now it's time to make the mountain layer visible, but the model copy is obtruding. How can we change this? By changing the blending style to lighten. Awesome. Very good job. Now let's apply a mask in the model copy. Click OK and apply the mask. Now we have two masks. Let's work with the first one. Make sure you have selected the mask, not the thumbnail, the mask. Let's get the brush. Let's get a good color. Pay attention. The foreground color must be black. If your foreground color is not black, do it. Click it and change the foreground color. It's mostly on the corners. Great job. Click OK. Now, remember where you are and you start painting. What is going to be the effect? Can you see how the girl hair is hiding? Allowing me to see the whole image of the mountains. Very good. And applying this mask. Applying mask requires a lot of practice. Great job. Look at the neck. Beautiful. I'm going to work this way. Okay. Very nice. Even though I have some portion of the face visible, I cannot still see the face properly. That means we should go to the next layer or the layer below and select the layer mountain mask. Can you see it? Again, I have the brush and the black color, and I'm going to apply it over the face. Pay attention how the face is going to be visible again with more sharpness. Beautiful. Finally, we are going to get the original girl layer mask. Double click it and we're going to apply a color overlay. This color must be the same color or similar color as the face. So you can get this. Click OK. Now we have finished what we call double exposure. I can see the face of the girl and the mountain too in the same silhouette. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy it. Please practice this and please learn how to apply the mask, how to paint it using the black color. Thank you very much.